Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to talk to you guys about running your own business, what they don't tell you when you officially start your business. So stay tuned if you're interested. Okay, so excuse me, I have my notes on my phone here and I'm just going to be going through and making sure I give you guys a little bit information about, what people don't really tell you once you get your business started. So, after you guys get your business name, get your EIN number, get your business, licenses or whatever else you have to get for your business, get your DUNS number and things like that, and you start building your business, you guys need to make sure, depending on where you live also, because I'm in California, so our taxes are like up here, okay? So we have state, county, city, sometimes depending on where you are, taxes in California. So you guys need to make sure you guys collect your taxes on all of your goods and services. Depending on what you do, services not really, but definitely if you sell any goods, make sure you guys collect your taxes. You guys know I do wigs. So whatever I sell, shampoo, conditioner, wigs, bonnets, head wraps, all of those things, I need to make sure I collect sales tax. So then when I report my sales to, I forgot the name of it, the CDFTA or something like that, they will ask how many sales did you make this quarter. I would tell them I made 40,000 in sales this quarter, and they'll say, okay, in that 40,000, did you include tax in that 40,000? I would say yes or say no, and then the tax will be calculated on how much I need to give them for my sales tax, depending on what city I live in and state and so on and so forth. Every state is different, so make sure you guys check out your state, ask your accountant. They should definitely know, or they have easier access to it and they can look it up fairly quickly. In California, if you don't make over a certain amount of money for your business, then all you have to do is pay a $800 business tax. That's separate from your sales tax. You pay $800 business tax every year when you complete your taxes. Now, if I make over, I want to say it's $100,000 if I'm not mistaken. So somebody correct me if I'm wrong down below. I don't know the number, but I think it's $100,000. If you make over that, then you pay additional taxes on top of that 800. So if you don't make over that amount of money, don't worry about it. You'll have a set amount of $800 every year that you need to pay for your business taxes, okay? So that's one thing everybody needs to take into account, your sales taxes or any kind of taxes when you start your business. All right, so that's one thing. Another thing is building your business credit. There are people who do teach that, and I've been coming across a few. The easiest three that I've found doing my research is Quill, Uline, and Granger. Those are the easiest three to get business credit with, and they start reporting right away once you start ordering business supplies from them. Now, they're more of like a office business supply place, so keep that in mind. The easiest things to order, like from Quill, would be, toilet paper, paper towels, boxes for your business. Those are like the easiest things to order from Quill that you're going to need on a daily basis, and you can just build your business credit that way. So those three are the easiest three to get. Once you start building your business and you start seeing sales, of course you can move on to trying to get business credit with the bigger companies, or trying to get business credit through your bank and things like that. Once they start seeing sales is normally when you'll start either seeing offers, or you'll be able to inquire with your bank as well when doing business with them. So that's another thing, business credit. And the third thing is how to deal with returns, refunds, and difficult customers. Working in the hair business, I feel like those are the most difficult customers to deal with. And of course, I chose this to be like my profession, but I love hair so much that I don't even care. And you know my motto, you know what I mean? There's 1,000 hair companies out there. My company is not for everyone, but I would love everyone to purchase from my company. So being transparent, I always, try to come to you guys and talk to you about any difficult situations I've had, or things like that. So when I ran across my first person that wanted to do a refund, I was shocked because I was like, wait, I don't even have a refund policy on my website. Like, what am I doing? So of course, not having a refund policy, the sale wasn't that, drastic. So I did issue her a refund. I did receive my products back. And then I immediately was like, I need to bring all of the guidelines together so I can put my own refund policy on my website. So I have a refund policy on my website now, and I am definitely looking at things that make my website change every day. My website does not stay the same every day. You guys know, I add wigs, I add hair, all of that on a daily basis. But as I come through different situations, I also update my policies and terms and conditions and things like that, because there's always going to be someone different or something different or a different problem you may have, whether I get a bad batch of hair or, it wasn't the right, color, or, it could be anything that happens. But, I always try to fix all of my customers' problem. If you have had a problem with me about, if you purchased hair or a custom wig or whatever, you guys know I am quick to fix the problem, because I know how hard it is and how difficult it is to find hair that fits your needs and is fit for you. And, I'm always here to work with everyone, because I know how it is to spend your money and then you're like, well, it's not really what I expected. But then again, it's hair. So if it's used, if it's, damaged, or if you've ran your fingers through it, if you've colored it, of course, 99% of the companies are not going to take the hair back or give you a refund at all. So definitely be mindful, regardless of if you're purchasing from me or purchasing from another company, the hair that you're using and things like that. So, I appreciate every customer and every client who's interested in me to supply their hair needs. And I love seeing, the sales come through and the people send me personal messages about their reviews, and I just absolutely love them. I don't need to, put people's reviews out there like that, because I get people who message me all the time about how they love their hair and things like that, and I don't feel the need to really post it like that. But I do get a few people who do tag me, on their Instagram page or Facebook and things like that. And I will share it with everyone just to show you guys that you can entrust in my business. And, I'm going to be honest with you when I get things, or if, shipments are delayed or things like that. I'm just going to be 100% transparent with all my customers if I have any problems. Because I don't want you to have to suffer, because things may not happen exactly the way we plan for them to happen. So that's another thing to think about when starting your business. How are you going to deal with these situations? Or you can take it one case at a time and deal with them as they come. So those are just 3 basic things that just to think about when starting your business, and customer service and things like that. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will have way more videos like this one. I'm trying to get them out to you guys, because I know everybody is asking me questions every day about how to do this and how to do that and things like that. So let me get, all of my information together so I can share them with you guys. And I hope you guys appreciate these videos. I appreciate you guys watching them. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.